Hi everybody, and the webcam had a wire in front of it. Hi everybody, this is Garrett Gardner. I know I look like a caveman right now, but I just woke up. Today we're going to be doing the CSC 110 class assignment, which is actually pretty easy and pretty fun. As you can see, I'm recording my entire computer. I can't really segment it that well due to the fact that I'm using Windows 8. Windows 8 has an app menu, so you won't be able to see the left side of the app menu, and it's okay that you can see my script. Alright, so the first task we have is how do we find the device structure or the hardware structure of my computer? Well, it's pretty simple. We right-click on the Windows button, and we left-click on Device Manager. Booyah! So there's all of the hardware that's installed on my computer. Or rather all the hardware that Windows says, hey, look, it's there. I know what that is because I have an appropriate driver for it. Okay, so we can close that. The next task is to find my operating system information, which is, again, very easy. We simply right-click on this and click on System. So we follow the exact same steps, but we're clicking on System. Here we see I have Windows 8.1 Pro. I have 16 gigs of RAM because I'm insane, and I have a pretty decent processor. It's a little dated, but it serves its purpose. Okay, so let's close that. Now we have to access our file structure, which means our baseline directories. How do we go to folders in our computer? Well, I'll tell you. We right-click on the Windows button yet again, and I just found this out. We can click on File Explorer, and it'll bring up our base directory. And for those of you who think a terabyte hard drive is enough, I have 931 gigs and I'm almost full, so it isn't. Okay, so now we have to create 2 folders, create some files in there, blah, blah, blah. Okay, no problem. What we're going to do is we're going to double click on C drive. We're going to right click somewhere here. We're going to go to New Folder, and we're going to name it a new folder because, you know, that's original. We're going to double click on that folder to go into the folder. We're going to right click, New Folder, another new folder. All right. And we're going to double click on this folder because we're going to have to come back here later. So let's see, blah, blah, blah. Applications. We have to launch 2 applications, or 2 different applications, and save 2 different files to the to another new folder that we made. So let's do that. This is where we're going to be using the app menu. I don't like it, but it's Windows 8. There's nothing I can do about it except for, switch to Windows 10. So we're going to left click on the, hey, there's me down the corner of the screen. Well, good today. We're going to left click on the Windows button. We're going to type in Word and just hit Enter. No more thinking than that. That's all it takes. If you have Word installed with Windows 8, just type in Word. It knows exactly what to do. I promise you. We're going to click on any template. For this purpose, we're going to use a blank document. Go ahead and click on File. Go ahead and click on Save. You can use Save As well, but I just use Save. Hey, Chris. Go to, or left click on Browse. This is going to bring up your typical Save As directory navigation window. So we're going to left click on C drive, or local disk C. We're going to find a new folder. There it is. Double click on it. Double click on another new folder, and we're going to click on Save. And that's all there is to that. Now we're going to do the exact same thing, but with Paint. So let's type in Paint and hit Enter. Brought up Paint. We're going to click on File, Save, Local Disk, a new folder, another new folder, and we're just going to click on Save. Super easy. Super, super easy. Okay, going down my script here, going down my steps. It looks like what we have to do now is we have to move these 2 files that we just created in this folder to the previous folder. So we're moving them from another new folder to a new folder. Now I did that. You can do this in different ways. I did this by left clicking and dragging. We're going to right click on either one of these. We're going to select Cut. We're going to use the up arrow or the up 1 directory or up 1 level, whatever you want to call it, arrow, to go to a new folder. We're going to right click on any empty space and click Paste. And that's going to go ahead and do this. Now, to delete them, I usually just select something and hit the delete key. For the purposes of this video, we're going to be using the delete contextual option. So let's right click on another new folder. We're going to left click on delete. Now we have to delete one of our files. I always delete the paint thing. I don't know why, but let's do that. Let's right click on the untitled.png. We're going to click on delete. It's going to delete it. Surprise, surprise. Okay, so that's basically all there is to that. Now, the final step in this assignment is to recover the deleted file. Now, there's a lot of different ways you could do it. You can actually barely see my recycle bin hiding behind my script back here. We could just double click on that to access it, but I'm going to show you the no matter what you're doing way of accessing the recycle bin. Left click on the Windows button, bring up your really crappy app menu that I don't like, and just type in recycle and hit enter. If you have like a piece of software named Recycler or something, Windows 8 should still open the recycle bin because I believe it prioritizes system applications over third-party applications like WinRAR or Recyclotron 3000 or whatever programs you might have installed. Here we can see our really dead and deleted folder and our really dead and deleted PNG file. We just want to right-click on the untitled.png and click on Restore. And that's a wrap. That's it, basically. That's how you do all this. It was very simple. And hopefully I've made things fairly concise and clear. It's a little over 6 minutes. I'm pretty impressed with that. And that's it. So, bye.